Let me introduce you to our Bridgetek FT810 Development Kit with a 4.3-inch display. The kit is designed to make evaluation and prototyping simple and effective. At its core is the board powered by the FT810 Embedded Video Engine, our proven graphics controller. It comes paired with a crisp 4.3-inch TFT LCD, complete with resistive touch so you can interact with your designs right away. And to make connectivity effortless, we have actually bundled the MM4222 QSPI interface board, giving you a direct USB to QSPI link from your PC. Now that we have actually assembled the kit, we can now connect to our computer via the USB to begin developing our user interface using the Bridgetek development tools. So in just a few seconds, you can see the color image being displayed on the screen. Now, in short, this is a compact, ready-to-go solution for developers who want to explore, test, and bring their GUI ideas to life quickly. For more information, you can just click the QR code.